how to use ChatGPT to generate a product that actually gives you up to $1 million on month. So now this is ChatGPT. A lot of you don't know how to use it. So let's say we want to like write a book. Let's say we want to write a book. We say suggest a name. Suggest a name. First of all, general greeting. Hey, what do you want to do? Want to write a book? I want to okay now. These are the things a lot of people do not consider before starting to do a project. ChatGPT can actually create a book for you with this stuff for you. Emotional intelligence, storytelling, depending on the topic you pick. Let's say we want to write a book on your audience. My audience. Beginners. Yes. Beginners and entrepreneurs. And entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs. Yes, of course. You tell him, okay, write a 60 pages ebook on how to successfully run a business. Let's see what it can make of this. So this is insane. This is mind blowing. A lot of people will be taken out the market with this. Now looking at this now, it has completely given you the guide you need and everything you need. Let's assume you're starting up a business, you don't know what to do, or you want to start creating an ebook. All those marketing and sales strategies, understanding your target audience. This can actually be wonderful for like this. It just give you an outline and stuff like that. So this will be a base for these are the things that you get to pay some people some time ago to run it for you. So this is a classic outline for this. So this should help.